Alright, next we're going to make a chocolate lab, literally. And I'm going to use something a little different for his ears. I'm going to use a leaf cutter. This is a medium size. And I just have chocolate fondant already rolled out here. Now when you do his ears, you're going to do two. And we're going to need to make sure that you flip one over so that they're opposite side. I have one here, so we'll just do that. And then we need to make his nose. I'm just using a little oval. So no molding on this guy, we're just going to use the oval as is. And then I've already made a little tongue here started with the red fondant. We've made his eyes right here. And now we'll disassemble them. I have brown, light brown for this one. Now for his nose, use the same color. Actually, in his mouth, we're going to do two things. Instead of just having a snout, we're going to have kind of a jaw line on there. Okay, so for his nose, we're going to have a little nose and jaw, two pieces to his mouth. We're going to just squeeze and kind of slowly, gradually come up and not have a point. But even if you had a point, you can squish it down with his nose. So we'll show you what I mean by that. And then just a little one here. So with his nose, if you had a point there, you can just plop that down, cover that up. His tongue just stick right in there. Kind of squish it and make it curl a little. Next are his ears. Now with these ears, we're not supporting them with any cookies or anything, so they're going to be kind of floppy, kind of doing that on purpose for this. I have the long point up and the short point down. Add his little eyes. Some little tufts of hair. And there we have our little chocolate lab.